All right, that sounds good to the shop. The brakes don't work, so. What? Got the ramp? Yeah. All right, guys, unplanned video today. It didn't come with an intro, but as you can see, it is here. All right, it's at the shop. Now, question is, when is it going to be worked on? That's a really good question. All right, but pause for a little bit. And here we have all the bits and pieces along with the motor and training. Remember the video from last year? So, I appreciate you guys watching. You can't see it from here. Maybe you can. But if you look way in the corner up there, right there. So, fenders are up top, and in the car is every piece. Tail lights, interior pieces, the wing, seat brackets, maximum steering wheel. We had to use it to get the car over here. Get a general idea. So, hey, thank y'all for watching as always. Hopefully you catch this sometime this week, if not next week. Unplanned video. So here you have it. All right, appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. Let me get back to clearing this garage out. I got rolling fenders.
Wait,
Yeah, dude. Look at this
got
side.
a roll. Aren't you happy to see it move?
I'm very happy to see it move. It's about time.
Indubitably.
What?
Indubitably.
Indubitably.